the tries. So we are finally going to finish the Christmas dollhouse room. Okay, so I got some votes on my Facebook group as well as another group that I have on Facebook for crafters and for people to just kind of show things that they do, as well as some private votes. So the winner of the wallpaper that we're going to use for this house is the green polka dots. So I've already measured it out on the back of this box. I measured out how big I would need for this back piece. So that's why you see that fold. The other half of the paper is going to go towards the sides. And then afterwards we're going to glue everything else into here. So yeah, and then we'll finally get this done. It's already taken so long to try to get this done. So I'm just happy to be able to finally see what it's going to look like. Also, if you notice today, I have some makeup on. It was suggested that I should do my makeup more often after I did the doing my makeup to be more of a beautiful person on the outside video, or whatever it was called. I forgot already what it was called. I had gotten suggestions saying, hey, you should do your makeup more often in videos. It came out really great. So here I am. So yeah, so let's get started on this this final chapter to this. So I'm going to reposition you guys so that way you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna really need another table. We got started on doing a big giant dollhouse. My husband took my other table that's normally here. So I'm gonna have to make some room, readjust the camera, make some room so that way I have room to put my hot glue gun. So I can glue some things to be more stable, like the table, the chairs, and the curtain, so that they don't move around inside the dollhouse no matter how much it gets moved. So yeah, let's get started. Okay. So I had folded the line, so I'm just going to cut along that line. Okay, and then this is going to be the two sides. So let me just lay it out in here to make sure. Alright, I'm going to have to cut a little tiny bit. And stay by my cradle till morning is done. The little Lord Jesus. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this door open, draw what I need to cut out once I can figure out where the dang pen is. Alright, we'll use a yellow marker. It's okay. So I think I got it measured right. I had to use my face a bit to try to get that. So hopefully that is the correct measurements. Just cut out the yellow part. I don't know why I'm shaking. Oh my god. Hate it when that happens. Has that ever happened to y'all? That you're doing something, you're trying to be very careful, and all of a sudden you start shaking like crazy. So there we go for that one wall. So I have some Eileen's original tacky glue that I'm going to lay down a nice smooth coat on here. And I'm going to use my finger, and then we're going to lay it down inside the box. Oops, maybe I switched it over. By my cradle till morning is nigh. Away in a manger, no sure y'all are wondering, why did I use my fingers and why didn't I just use a little brush to spread the glue? Well, my husband is using my only foam brush that I own for the glue to glue down the floor of the big dollhouse. So isn't that special? I get no glue. There goes the wallpaper. And yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the sides and glue them down. So I'm going to just do that off camera so that way I have that all done. Because basically I do the sides the same way I did the back. So don't want to re-explain that situation. Alright. Okay, so I have all the backing down, so now I'm going to lay down the curtain. So I'm just going to put a nice glue strip on top of the window. And I am going to glue that down, starting from the center, and then work my way out. Is hot yet, so it didn't glue down the right way. So let me try this again. So now it's all glued down across. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue certain points on the side here down. You know, I'll probably glue it like that. So I'm just going to put a little dot. That way it doesn't move. And that's that. Same with over here. Tuck it under. Glue it down. Okay, so now my window is nice and flat. So I'm going to glue my fireplace to the side here. Glue on the edge. Glue the bottom of this right there, because when I put my chair in, that's where it has to be. Here, I'll put it down here. And something I didn't show y'all is I did purchase a Christmas tree, and this is like a string of fake lights that I got them from Hobby Lobby. This is not sponsored by Hobby Lobby or anything like that. I just wanted to let y'all know where I got it from, just in case you wanted to purchase something like this. This is in the dollhouse section, and in the dollhouse section, I think it's $1.99. I paid for it for 3 Christmas trees about this size. And then it's $1.99 for the string of lights. I didn't use all the string of lights, so there is a lot more to do the other 2 trees. But I wanted to at least show you this so I can stick this down, because that's where my Christmas tree is going to go. That way you're not going, oh my god, where'd that Christmas tree come from? She didn't show us that. Now, I'm not going to glue the pillows down, but I am going to glue the chair down. So I'm just going to position it nice. Matter of fact, you know what? Let me do the mat first. That way I get the furthest away done. And that welcome mat is just made out of burlap material that I just wrote welcome on. It's really simple. So now I'm going to glue this down. And then just place the little pillow. And we are done, guys. So I'm going to turn this around, pick y'all up, so you guys can get a better look. What do you think? This is our little shoebox Christmas room. Looks very warm and cozy. Super nice. Now you can always add things. I added these, and I didn't really show you guys how I made these stockings, but I glued those down to the fireplace, and I had the flames drawn in and stuff with paint and marker. But you can put things up here, you can put like things on the table, or even the Christmas lights were on here, you could string it all along the top there. I just did pretty much the bare minimum. But what do you guys think? Isn't it cute? Look at this look. The next one that I'm actually going to be doing is a Halloween themed one. So that one's going to be a lot of fun because I can really get creative with that one. I was testing out to see how it would work, so that way I can show you guys how to do it. I was testing out how to make like a crystal ball, and I like this. Sorry, with all the glue on my fingers. I like this, but oh, look at that glue on my hand. I think that this has too much of white pigment, so I think I'm going to do less white pigment, but definitely that glitter is perfect, the silver and iridescent glitter inside. So this one is not a full ball, it's like 3/4 of a ball, but I do have this ice tray. It's a silicone ice tray that creates the balls, and when I do the real one with you guys, I'm going to fill it up way past this little opening just so that I can try to make as much as I possibly can of a full ball. So that's just a little sneak peek of something that I want to do in the Halloween house, but that's going to be what's coming up next is the Halloween house series after we finish with the giant dollhouse that we're working on. There's a lot of different things going on. Sorry guys. We're trying to bang out a lot of projects for you guys so that way you can see how certain things work, how to do certain things, as well as just like little craft projects with craft kits and stuff like that we purchase and stuff. So hopefully you'll want to try some of it. My kids, they're on summer mode, so I don't think they're going to have a lot of videos that they're going to want to do with me this summer. But once they're kind of homebound, because right now they're in and out of the house, playing outside, playing with friends, unless it's raining, then it's video games, that they kind of just haven't really wanted to do any videos. So hopefully once things wind down that they're going to be more at home and less on video games because they have to focus in school, they'll more than likely want to do a video or two, or 5, 6, 12, 20. I don't know. But that's it for this project. Please make sure that you like, share this video, and subscribe. Hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell so you know when I post up new videos and when I'm doing a new series. if there's anything that you guys want to see me try doing, please make sure you mention it in the comments. Yeah, I want to just continue to create more videos for you guys and do more things. So if we can hit 1,000 subscribers, what I was thinking of doing is a very nice giveaway. I will not explain just yet what that giveaway is, but once we get closer to that 1,000, then I will start mentioning what the mystery giveaway at this point will be. So make sure you share. Bring friends on. Love to meet new people. Love to hear from new people. Love to get ideas and suggestions. And also, if you haven't already, please go over to my Facebook group. It's Mama Tries over on Facebook. And you can interact with me there as well. Give suggestions there. That's where I'm going to be doing a lot of the polls. Anything that I want you guys to decide upon for certain videos, I will be posting those polls over there on my Facebook group. So make sure you go and join that. It is a public group, so there's no craziness going on in there. Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.